On a sunny afternoon, I went to the nearby park to take a much needed escape from my busy life. I really love visiting this place, visiting nature as much as I can, because every time I visit it, it relieves all the stress in my mind and my body and makes me calm. The sky was clear and blue, and in the middle there was the sun glowing. I thought about the sun for a while and took a moment to appreciate its presence, making us see all the things, giving us warmth, and most importantly, helping everyone in the world to survive. The breeze that passed by was cool and very refreshing. It feels really good when breathing. It feels really different from where I live. I think it's because of the trees filtering air we breathe out, providing much clean air for us to breathe. The breeze made leaves of the trees to tremble, making a sweet noise. It feels really good to touch things like leaves and twigs because it feels much alive doing that. And then there were birds sitting on the trees, chirping. It was really nice to hear. They were flying and landing on the ground, looking for seeds and worms to eat. And also, I noticed ants rushing in groups. I think they are looking for food. I thought these birds, ants, every animal, even us, are doing the same thing, connecting with nature to fulfill our needs. I think there will be no life for us, the humans, and all the animals without this beautiful nature. And I think, as human beings, the most intelligent animals living in this world, it is our duty to take a moment to appreciate it and protect it.